Yes, it does affect me on a personal level. Deeply. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So this video is in response to one comment. One friend said, "May I ask a question? If do not take it as that." Do not think that I am being rude. If this question is rude, I do not mean to hurt you. If some of your video does not get a lot of comments, does not get a lot of views, does it affect you? Do you feel less motivated? You are telling the truth. It does affect me, and it affects me to a personal level, and I feel deeply. I feel discouraged. I feel disappointed. I feel being ignored. I feel unimportant. I feel I am wrong. I feel I am not doing the right thing. So this is recently happened, and my video recently has much less view, much less comments. I spent time and make the video, and it got 1 comment, 2 comments at most, 3 comments, very few. So I was it makes me think about it. Am I doing something wrong? The other day in the evening, I was doing something, and then my family say, "What is your hobby except painting and eating?" And it actually made me think. And it feels that I have no life. And it's kind of a truth that I am not making a lot of money, producing a lot of things, create a lot of things. I do feel that I am not at my very best from time to time. But in that video where the friend asked what are you affected by the less of comments, less of response from the world, it makes me think. It makes me think deeper. Where is the problem? The very obvious problem is that my video is not matching the algorithm of YouTube, of TikTok, of other Instagram. My video is not made for it. If you use their way of measuring my achievement, my progress, it is a failure. There's no doubt about it, right? Accept it and understand there is a problem The problem is that my way of doing things does not match with the standard, with the requirement of current situation, of current trend. That's the problem. Now you can think deeper. There is a problem, but this problem has two parts. One is my problem. One is their problem. Is that possible that the problem is their problem, is the social media standard problem, right? Of course, there is my problem that I am not the best. We will talk about it later. We will go into deep. The problem maybe is the standard, and the society does not value something original, something truthful, right? If you see the video, let's see the video, the travel video, the color are fully saturated, nobody surrounding, no noise, one beautiful lady dancing, running in the field of flower. Is that true? We know it is not true. And look at my video, noise, the crow's noise, and the car passing noise, and people passing by, and the color is not fully saturated, the color is not right, and the arrangement is not right. There is my problem. I have problem in my video making technique, and that is a fact. Even without the standard, even with any standard, I do have my problem. And also, if we think about the social media, and the social media, their standard is dictated by you and I. Our viewers, our information consumers are dictating. We watch less long video. We watch less hard talk or hard talk video or people really doing something step by step. We are more interested in 2 seconds video, 10 seconds video, a flash of something video, right? That's we are making this trend. It is us that make this trend. It is our wish that guided social media to work for us, right? It's our own thing. So on the other hand, so that's the two parts. Now come back to think of ourselves, or think about myself. There is a problem. My video does not have editing. I just talk. There is noise from outside. Let it be, because this is life. And I have some words, some grammatic mistakes. Let it be. And I am not pretty as pretty as needed. Let it be. That's myself. That's what I want to build. Talking about ambition, there is one ambition I have. I want to educate YouTube. I want to stay my way and teach YouTube slowly, recognize yanghaiying, recognize people like yanghaiying, recognize the ordinary, the not pretty, the unsuccessful people who are living alive. I do not need to be successful. I come back home, I have a roof on my top. I can sleep. I come back home, my family has cooked a meal for me. It smells good. It's making a bone soup. And I come back home, I have family around me. I do not need to be successful. If I do not make money, I can still have roof on my head. I can still have food on my plate, in my stomach. I am still healthy. So I do not need to be successful. I do not need to follow the trend. I do not need to make that much money, to be that famous. My life is good enough. 给我1分钟，给我1分钟。My life is good enough. It's already not perfect, a little bit less than perfect, but it's good enough. I am happy this way. Oh, I'm a little bit lost on my track. What did I want to say? So because when you do not have a desire, you have more power. When you want to make money, you become weak in front of all the temptations, all the things that make you the way of making money. I am strong in that sense. I do not need to follow that. I am in the position to educate YouTube, to educate TikTok, to educate social media. It may take 1 year, 2 years. I have been doing this for 17 years, 18 years, and use my 18 years to teach YouTube. There are original people. There are ordinary people. There are not pretty people. There are unsuccessful people, and they are happy, and they live a life that is content. That is not content from time to time, but still in general is content, is okay life. And this is a sustainable life. It takes time for them to be in this chaos of influence of all these things. But eventually, something that is sustainable, something that is standing, will always stand. So I think for this video, the friend asking about this, maybe because you have done video, you have done a podcast, you have done your social media post, but not responded, not replied, not getting the response you desire. Take it as a lesson. Take it as a lesson to teach yourself, to teach ourselves. The biggest insult, I always say, the biggest insult is ignorance. You fight back, You see in the streets, there are people fighting each other. Fight back. People feel hurt, but not that much. Not as much as you are angry. You want to explode yourself. You want to fight someone. And that one does not even look at you. That's the best insult. That's hurt to the bone, to the core of one person. So at least we can learn this thing. When you feel something, express it. People need a voice. People need a response. Your comments here is the most encouraging for me at this moment. You do not know how much you are helping me and helping a lot of people who did not have the courage to speak it out. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.